In today's tutorial, I want to show you Kogi State Geology Shapefile. We have successfully converted the geological map of Kogi State to Shapefile. Geology of Nigeria is managed or mapped by an agency called Nigeria Geological Survey Agency. So you can go online and read about their functions. They are into geological mapping, mineral exploration, and geotechnical drilling. This is the map of Kogi State Geology from Nigeria Geological Survey Agency. During the conversion of this map to Shapefile, we encounter some challenges. And one of the challenge we encounter is that, for example, if you look at this very area, this geology is coded as O, as it can be seen here. However, when we go to the legends, you can see that in the coding there is no O. There is no O here in the coding. So however, we look at other sources of geological map and other version of geological map from Nigeria Geological Survey Agency. So we now found that the rock unit represented as O in the map is actually AL, which is river alluvium. This AL is actually this rock unit, this one. So this is one of the challenges we face in conversion of this map to Shapefile. However, we have successfully converted it to Shapefile following due diligence to make sure that it is as from the source, which is NGSA. So now if we go to ArcGIS, this is the geological map of Kogi State that we have converted to Shapefile. If I right click on this layer and open the attributes table, you can see the geology and the coding here as used by the Nigeria Geological Survey Agency. Now, if I right click again and go to properties, if I come to symbology, instead of single symbol, let's click on categories, and I want to categorize using geology. Click on add all value and click on OK. So this is the geological map of Kogi State that we have converted to Shapefile. You can see all the rock name, and Kogi State geology is unique in the sense that Kogi is underlaid by both sedimentary rocks and crystalline rocks. So you can see it here in the legends. And what is the essence of this conversion of geological map to Shapefile? It is to make it easier for people to produce their own geological map of their study area. For instance, this is Lokoja LGA. If I check it, if you are working on Lokoja LGA and you want to produce the geology map of your study area, it is just a matter of coming to geoprocessing, click on clip, then input features. You input Kogi State Geology that we have converted to Shapefile, then clip feature. Click here and put in your study area, then click here and save it in your folder of your choice. Let's name it as Lokoja. Click on save and click on OK. So what we want to do is to cut out only this study area of our choice. Yes, the clipping is successful. We can now uncheck this one, right click here and zoom to layer. So we are now dealing with this. Now we can right click here and come to properties. Then under symbol, come to categories, and let's categorize using the geology name and click on OK. Then click OK. So you can see the geological map of this Lokoja LGA. So we can now change the color to standard color for each rocky. Then you can now use this to produce your geology map. Come take it to layouts. We can now choose a template for it. Let's use this portrait and click on finish. Yes. So we can now add all other elements and adjust the elements. Add all your map elements and export your map. Click on File and click on Export Map. Let's name it Lokoja Geology and click on Save to export it. This is Geology of Kogi State Shapefile, and in case you need it, you can check the description box. It will be easier for you to prepare your geological map, and it will also help you in case you go to the field, make a new discovery. It will be easier for you to update. But this is the conversion of geological map from Nigeria Geological Survey Agency to Shapefile. Thank you for watching.